It's little people to the rescue with this cute fire truck. Hi, I'm Tammy with TTPM, and this is the Little People Lift and Lower fire truck from Fisher-Price. It's a friendly looking fire truck featuring lights and over 25 songs, sounds, and phrases. 2 AA batteries are included. It comes with 3 Little People figures, 2 firefighters, and a dog wearing a fireman's hat. Kids can activate the lights and sounds through different hands-on activities, including pressing the driver's seat,
we're on our way,
pushing the truck along, and turning or moving the ladder up and down.
What do I wear on my head? That's right, my black helmet.
The songs and phrases focus on colors, opposites, and fire rescue for kids to learn as they engage in imaginative play.
Flashing lights, we're on our way.
That's right.
Recommended for ages 1 to 4 years old, it's well made and sturdy enough for toddler play and sized just right for little hands. For where to buy and current prices, find us at TTPM and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews every day.